Okay, this is time to light the cake. Somebody's having their birthday.
Oh, boy. You want to sing happy birthday?
It will be. Yep. Look at that amazing cake. Very nice. Was it some? Happy birthday. That's amazing.
Okay, let's go.
Wish I was two. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patrick. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday, Patrick. 2 years. Amazing 2 years. We love you. Mwah! Wow, nice cake. What's this? What's this? Yes.
You want to make a wish? What's your wish for this year?
He wish.
Push it on.
He wishes he had his cake. Okay, can we blow it up? Ready?
Okay.
Pump out with it.
1,
2, 3.
oh boy.
There we go. Happy birthday. He's got his spoon, so he's ready to go.
Ready? Yeah.
This amazing cake. Very
Oh,
nice
it's
looking
lovely.
cake. Okay, sir, go for it. Where do you start?
Fingers first.
Oh, forget the spoon.
That's okay, darling. Have it.
You want to have the macaroons right here? It's the blueberry, the lemon, and the raspberry. Which one do you like?
All of these.
Mmm, yummy. It's the raspberry. Here's the best thing ever. It says.
You gonna eat all that cake by yourself?
Look at that. He loves the macaron. He's not eating the second macaron.
I love macaroons too. Looks like there's not gonna be any more.
Purple, he says. Purple.
What color is that?
Yellow. He's a macaron terminator.
That
Mmm.
says happy birthday. Is that chocolate too?
You didn't let me try that.
He's thinking about it.
You
Share
want-
with Mom?
Can you share it with mommy? Can you share it with mommy?
Yeah, that's.
Oh,
Oh,
it's all gone. We finished all the 3 macarons. Looks like Patrick is covered with lots of presents. Now it's time to open all the presents, Patrick. Which one do you want first? Can you open it yourself? Let's see. Open.
Let's move on to the next one. I'll help you. Rip it here. Take that. It's inside.
Wow.
Okay.
He's looking at it though.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
Wow.
very nice.
What's that?
Lovely.
Tractor, he knows it.
Tractor, yes.
Wow.
Tractor. That's very nice. Look at the tractor.
Mmm. John Deere.
You're so lucky. I wish I had one of these. I'll open this for you. This is so cool, Patrick.
Mmm. Just the one up there.
Wow. Look at that face.
Brum, 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 brum. Yeah, and this is a shovel.
What's the color of your tractor?
Brum, 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 brum. Yes, it is. It's a tractor. What's next?
Next
Is it-
one. Next.
Okay. Ready? Here's this one. Oh, okay. You hold the tractor. What about this one? Huh? Here. Can I help you? Look at the nice way your mom wrapped this. Very good job. Professional. I hate to open it. It's so nice looking. Touch it. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think you're gonna like that. Wow. What is that?
Dinosaur.
What's that? What's that? Dinosaur. Awesome.
Open.
Want me to open it? Okay. Now. Open. Open. Open.
Say please.
Please. Please.
That has a lot in it, right?
Yeah.
Look at his face. Look at that.
Egg.
Egg.
Yeah.
All right. What's next? Oh, there you go. Open it up. Help me.
Yes.
Open. Open.
Thank you, it says.
Very good. This is how your mommy wraps these things, huh?
She's very good. She's a professional.
Did you ever work at the shopping mall? How did you learn to do this? Did you take a course? Did you
I
study?
did actually.
Oh, this is awesome. This is one of my favorite things. Actually, I want this. I'm going to keep it for myself. You can't have it. It's too good. This is really, really nice. I like this a lot. I can't even open this thing. It's wrapped so well.
Oh,
Oh, wow. Look at that, sir. What is that?
a panda driving a police car.
It's from your show.
Can't get it out.
Get it out.
That's it. Want me to open? Want me to open?
Help
Yeah?
me. Yeah.
Okay, what is it anyway? It's a PC Panda's police car from Peppa Pig. PC Panda. This is going to be so much fun for you and me. Okay, let me try to open this up. No, how do I do it? I don't want to. I hate to say I have to break the box, but I did. It's nice. Oh, it's so cool. What's this? This one is the most challenging wrapper box ever created. Again, you need to be a rocket scientist to open this thing. What? How does that come off? Is that supposed to come off?
Tie.
Okay, this comes off like that.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Car. It says car.
Ready? Vroom, 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 vroom.
Wow. Car.
Yes.
It's a car. A police car.
Oh my, you're a lucky boy.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Very cool, Pat.
That's nice.
Car. Yes. Wanna open the next one?
Ooh. Yeah, don't drop it.
How about this one? What's
More
that?
presents. Never starts. Look, what's this? Oh, you're gonna be happy again. You're gonna be happy again.
Look at that eyes.
Want me to open? Want me to open? Want me to open? Want me to open? Okay, ready?
Oh boy. Oh, bowling ball.
From Thomas and Friends.
Very nice.
Open, open. Open, okay. Another ball. This is a bowling ball. Oh, you can have a lot of fun with that. Playing bowling with your mommy and your granny. Granny likes to bowl.
I did.
Okay, got one more.
Sorry about that, kid. No more wrapper.
Ready, Pat? Wow, look at this.
Oh boy, it's a monkey.
Wow. Do you like it?
Very
Gorilla.
Wow.
Okay, gorilla.
Oh.
Monkey. Dinosaur.
Happy birthday, son. Happy 2 years. You get it.
I think Gran have something for you.
Granny has
So
this.
many cards.
Look, where's the other one? Oh, okay.
Like,
You gonna read it out? Read it out to him, mother.
Let him open up first. Do one from David and one from
Let's
Stan.
see.
Oh, that's one
Here,
from
Granny
Uncle.
can open-
From
Granny
Uncle
can read it.
David.
Look at that. Number 2.
Wow.
Look at that. What's this guy? What's his name again? I forget that guy's name.
Is this from
What's
Sesame
this?
Street?
Yeah.
Huh.
2 times the giggles, double the fun. Twice as exciting has just begun. Happy second birthday, best wishes and lots of love around. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yes?
Oh, nice. Okay, let's open this next one.
Yes.
This one's from David? Oh, wow, look at that.
It's Thomas, it's
That's
the twin.
nice.
Train.
Train. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Choo choo train.
Train. You know I can read that too.
True. The special little birthday train is headed right your way. Love, Uncle David. To bring a wish for someone nice who is 2 years old today.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
Happy birthday. That's great. Your uncle really did a nice thing. Both uncles gave you nice gifts this year. Nice maple leaf vest. And your uncle David, he gave a nice gift to get another gift for you. And your granny did wonderful gifts. You're so lucky, and your mommy, daddy give you some gifts that I think you're gonna like.
Monkey, you want some?